Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Irresistibleme lace frontal wig. The hair is actually 13 by 4 lace frontal wig and it's in the length 24 inches. The hair has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and the construction of the cap is glueless. The knot has also been published straight out of the box, and the hair also comes in this gorgeous packaging. Everything has been done for you straight out of the box, and the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters of it. So yeah, I am loving it so far. I am going to show you guys how I installed this video. The hair is very easy to install because it's a glueless wig, and the construction is really neat and very professional. As you guys can tell, the hair looks way longer than 24 inches, guys. I am 5.6 feet and the hair is below my belly button and also at the back, almost to my backside. So yeah, they are very generous with the length of the wig, which I am really impressed with. So what I did be off camera was just to spray lace tint inside the cap of the wig. So you can do that if you like, but it's not compulsory. All you just need to do is just wear the wig cap and you should be fine, because the wig lace is actually HD. So yeah, I actually applied the got2b glue spray on my forehead where I would be placing the lace of the wig. So yeah, and I made sure that the hair stayed in place, then comb the hair backwards and applied my elastic band on it, then take off the elastic band after 5 minutes and cut off the excess lace at the perimeters of the hair. Guys, oh look, the lace of this wig is amazing. It melted into my skin effortlessly. Look at that, guys. Show me the lace. Sis, please show me the lace because I can't find it. I received a lot of compliments wearing this hair and I am really impressed with the quality of their hair. I'm glad that you guys already know that I'm a huge fan of Irresistible hair brand, because the quality of their hair is always top notch, and this one is just outstanding. Like, the quality of the hair is AA plus for me. The length of the hair is AA plus for me, and also the construction of the cap, which is neatly and professionally constructed, is just amazing. I'm really impressed with how silky the hair is. Like, you don't even have to straighten it, depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. And bear in mind that the hair is 100% human hair. You can dye it, you can tongue it, you can color it, you can do anything to this hair just like your own natural hair. And yeah, you'll be seeing more of this hair in my channel because I am loving it. I'm still wearing the hair as I speak, and I received loads and loads of compliments wearing this hair. Just watch out and look at that melted lace. Like, where is the laces? Show me the lace, guys. Show me the lace. I'm really impressed with the quality of the hair, and I'm amazed about how the lace melted effortlessly into my skin. I highly recommend that you guys shouldn't walk, but run to their website now and order your lace wig. They have loads of amazing styles, colors and length on their website, and I can guarantee that you won't regret buying from them, because quality wise, I can guarantee you that you will be getting a top-notch wig and you will thank me later. Yep, look at that. So that's the end of today's look, but stay tuned to my channel and you will be seeing more of this. Look at that. Very silky, very silky, and the length for me is just amazing. The shipping was really quick. It took exactly 4 days to get in the UK, and I love the fact that the hair is true to length and more. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and check out the Irresistibleme website, and I'll leave a coupon code in the description box below. Bye guys.